How to use YouTube TV free trial with HBO Max. YouTube TV offers a free trial period during which you can add premium channels like HBO Max. To enjoy HBO Max during your YouTube TV free trial, follow these steps. Step number 1, sign up for YouTube TV free trial. Visit the YouTube TV website. Click on Try It Free to initiate the sign-up process. Sign in with your Google accounts or create a new one if necessary. Provide the required payment information to start the free trial. Step number 2, add HBO Max to your subscription. During the sign-up process, you'll have the option to add premium channels. Select HBO Max from the list of available add-ons. Be aware that adding HBO Max may come with an additional fee, even during the free trial period. Step number 3, access HBO Max content. Once you've added HBO Max, you can access its content directly through the YouTube TV interface. Navigate to the HBO Max channel with YouTube TV to browse and watch available shows and movies. Step number 4, monitor your trial period. Keep track of the duration of your YouTube TV free trial. If you wish to avoid charges, ensure you cancel the subscription before the trial period ends. Important considerations. Additional costs. Adding HBO Max to your YouTube TV subscription may incur extra charges, even during the free trial. Review the pricing details carefully before confirming the add-on. Cancellation. To prevent automatic billing after the trial period, cancel your YouTube TV subscription and any add-ons before the trial concludes. Availability. YouTube TV and HBO Max are currently available only in the United States.